Have you ever suspected that the common yellow weeds in your backyard might actually be a powerful secret to optimizing your health? Dandelion tea is frequently dismissed as nothing more than a garden nuisance, yet it is undeniably a nutritional powerhouse packed with benefits. This humble plant is loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support your body in a multitude of surprising ways. One of the most celebrated health benefits of drinking dandelion tea is its remarkable ability to detoxify the liver naturally and efficiently. It stimulates the production of bile, which is crucial for helping your liver filter toxins and fats from your bloodstream effectively. Beyond liver support, this herbal infusion aids digestion by soothing the stomach and promoting the healthy movement of food through your system. Dandelion tea acts as a gentle, natural diuretic that helps your body shed excess water weight without depleting essential potassium levels. Unlike harsh synthetic diuretics, dandelions provide a rich source of potassium to ensure your electrolytes remain balanced while reducing uncomfortable bloating. Emerging research suggests that the bioactive compounds found in dandelions might help regulate blood sugar levels, making it great for metabolic health. The plant contains potent anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce pain and swelling associated with chronic conditions like arthritis or joint stiffness. Your skin can also benefit immensely from the high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants that fight the free radicals causing aging. Strong bones rely heavily on calcium and vitamin K, and surprisingly, dandelion greens and roots are fantastic sources of both vital nutrients. Drinking this tea regularly can contribute to better bone density and significantly reduce the risk of fractures as you grow older. We cannot overlook the immune-boosting properties that help your body fend off seasonal colds and infections thanks to its antimicrobial capabilities. If you are trying to lose weight, dandelion tea might boost your metabolism and encourage the breakdown of fats in the body. Some studies have indicated that dandelion root extract could have a positive impact on lowering bad cholesterol for a healthier heart. The roasted root makes a delicious, caffeine-free alternative to coffee, offering a rich flavor without the jitters or sleep disruption. Harvesting dandelions from your own garden is easy, but you must ensure the area is free from pesticides and harmful chemicals. Preparation is incredibly simple, requiring only boiling water and a few minutes of steeping to fully extract the medicinal compounds. While generally safe, it is always wise to consult a doctor if you have allergies or take specific medications. Embracing this natural remedy could be the simple, effective wellness upgrade that your daily routine has been waiting for all along. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us and stay updated on natural health remedies.